Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to record an audio on the Clipchamp application. So first of all, of course, if you have it already downloaded into your PC, this will be great. But of course, if you don't, you'll need to go and download it through any browser you're using. Of course, it will be pretty simple. You must have been downloaded something on your PC before, so it will be the same steps. And of course, if you are a Windows 11 user, you will find it downloaded already into your PC automatically. But of course, if you are Windows 10 user, some users will have it already downloaded, some users will not. So of course, if you don't have it, just go and download it. And if you have it already, just go and open it up. And of course, once it's open, you will have to go and log in into your account. If you have an account, just go and log in into it. But if you don't, you'll have to go and create one and then log in into it. Of course, here you'll be able to subscribe to one of their plans to have more features if you want. And of course, you can use it for free if you want. If you are a beginner, you can go and edit some of your recent videos, or you can go and create a new video, or you can record something, as we said on the beginning of this tutorial. So we would like to record audio or audio, so we would like to click Add Record Something here. Once we are here, we would like to record a text to speech if you want, or you can record screen camera or just screen. Choose whatever you want, and as you can see, you will have to allow your microphone. So once you allow your microphone, you can actually allow your camera as well. So I'm not just going to block the camera. And of course, here you can just click here and choose whatever screen you want to record. If you have more screens, or window if you want. For me, I'm just going to choose this one. And of course, here you can, as you can see, the audio is started to recording. And once you finish, just click here, and as you can see, you can save and edit if you want. So you can even retake recording, but if you want, you can save and retake, as you can see. And here, if you want just to take the audio, make sure to click on it, go to audio, click at detach audio, and just delete this. And as you can see here, you have just the audio recorded, and you will be good to go. So that's all actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and goodbye.